In this video tutorial, I'll be talking to you about what is a composite figure and how do we find the area of a composite figure. So let's start with the definition. A composite figure is constructed or made up from two or more geometric shapes. It can be divided to create more than one basic shape, such as a square, a rectangle, trapezoid, parallelogram, or triangle. So we have an example here, and this example of a composite figure can be divided into a square and a trapezoid. But you have to decide where you're going to split this composite figure into a basic shape of a square and a trapezoid. This dotted red line is where you would split your composite shape into your trapezoid right here and your square right here. Now we're going to look at how do you find the area of this composite figure. This picture is the same picture that we just talked about. So we're going to be using the area formula of the two basic shapes, a trapezoid and a square. What I did here was I took this composite figure and I divided it into a trapezoid and a square. In a previous video tutorial, I already demonstrated how to find the area of a trapezoid. So we're going to apply these formulas, the height times the sum of both bases divided by 2, plus the area formula of a square, which is side times side. Now carefully replace the numbers from the diagram into your formula. The height of the trapezoid is 5 inches. 13 inches and 20 inches are base 1 and base 2 of the trapezoid. For this square, every single side is 20 inches. When we simplify the expression, 20 times 20 is 400, and the simplified numerator becomes 165. Divide that by 2 and add that number to 400. Our final answer is 482.5 square inches, and that represents the area of this composite figure.